Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with the presence of a loving God. Today we are going to learn the subject science. Today we are going to learn science. What's the spelling for science? SCIENCE, science. Last week we have completed lesson 4, no? Today we are going to learn lesson 5. What's the name of the lesson? Look at the picture. What is this? Flowers. Very good. What's this? Fruit. And what's this? This is a new one for you, no? What's this? Seeds. What's that? Seeds. Now read the spelling. FLOWERS. Flowers. FRUIT. Fruit. and SEEDS, seeds. Flowers, fruit and seeds. What's the name of the lesson? Flowers, fruit and seeds. Very good. Now look at here. What's this? Flowers. Many color flowers are here, no? Yes. MOST, most. PLANTS, plants. AROUND, around. US, us. HAVE, have. FLOWERS, flowers. Most plants around us have flowers. Many plants are around your house, no? Yes, most of the plants are having flowers. Now look at here. The name of this flower is Dahlia. What's the name of the flower? Dahlia. 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 What's the color of this flower? Pink. We can see this flower not only in pink color. We can see this flower in many colors. Look at here. Many color. Dahlia is here, no? Yes. White, yellow, red. And then two color is there in one flower. Red and white. Dahlia is also there. Orange color dahlia is also there. Light pink and dark pink. Many colors of dahlia is here. And look at the next flower. You all know this. Yes. What's that? Rose. What's the spelling for rose? ROSE. Rose. What's the spelling for rose? ROSE. 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 What's the color of the rose? Pink. Very good. Not only in pink color. Many colors of roses are there. Look at here. Look at here. Many colors are there in roses, no? Yes. We can see many colored roses. And look at the next one. The name of this flower is pansy. What's that? Pansy. What's the spelling for pansy? PANSY. Pansy. What's the name of this flower? Pansy. This flower also we can see in many colors. Look at here. Many colorful pansy flowers are here, no? Yes. 3 flowers we learn. What are the 3 flowers? Dahlia, rose and pansy. We learn these 3 flowers. What we learn? Most of the plants around us are having flowers. Now we are going to learn the next one. SOME, some. PLANTS, plants. DO, do. NOT, not. HAVE, have. FLOWERS, flowers. Some plants do not have flowers. Look at here. Do you find any flowers in the picture? No, we can see only the green color leaves. And now we are going to see some plants. Those plants don't have flowers. Now look at the first plant. The name of this plant is fern. FERN, fern. And look at the next one. This is cycas. What's that? Cycas. 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 Can you see any flowers here? No, we can't find any flowers. We can see only the green color leaves. And look at this. This is pine. 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 This is a pine tree. Okay. Now, Look at here, the pine, P-I-N-E, pine, and the C-Y-C-K, C-A-S, cycas. These two trees have cones. What's this? Cones. The cones of this tree, two trees, we call it as flowers. They are flowers. T-H-E, the C-O-N-E-S, cones. O-F-R, P-I-N-E-S, pines, and C-Y-C-A-S, cycas, R, A-R-E-R, T-H-E-I-R, they are F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. The cones of the pine tree and the cycas tree are their flowers. And look at the next one. Yeah, Y-O-U-N-G, young, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, I-S-S, S-A-F-E, safe, I-N-S-I-D-E, inside, T-H-E, the, B-U-D, bud. A young flower is safe inside the bud. Look at here, this is a young flower. It's a safe inside the bud. What happens? It opens. Look at here. T-H-E, the, B-U-D, bud, O-P-E-N-S, opens, A-N-D, and, T-H-E, the, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower, G-R-O-W-S, grows. The bud opens and the flower grows. At last we get a nice flower. Where's the bud? A young flower is safe inside the bud. The bud opens. What happens when the bud opens and the flower grows? Where's the young flower? A young flower is safe inside the bud. Very good. What's the spelling for bud? B-U-D, bud. And look at the next one. What's this, children? Flower. What flower is this? G-U-A-V-A, guava, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. This is the guava flower. And look at here, G-U-A-V-A, guava, F-R-U-I-T, fruit. This is a guava fruit. How we get the fruit? Shall we see? Yeah, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, G-R-O-W-S, grows, F-R-O-M, from, yeah, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. A fruit grows from a flower. How the fruit grows? Guava fruit grows? A fruit grows from a flower. Look at here. T-H-E, the, F-L-O-W-E-R, flower. D-R-I-E-S, dries. U-P-R, A-S-S, T-H-E, the, F-R-U-I-T, fruit, G-R-O-W-S, grows. The flower dries up as the fruit grows. When the flower is fresh, the fruit grows? No, the flower dries up. It becomes dry. Afterwards only the fruit starts growing. Read it once again. A fruit grows from a flower. A fruit grows from a flower. When the flower is fresh, the fruit grows? No. The flower dries up as the fruit grows. Look at here. The flower dries up, no? Yes, this guava flower dries up and the fruit grows. See one more example for this. What flower is this? Lady's finger. L-A-D-Y-S. Ladies, F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger, F-L-O-W-E-R. Flower. Lady's finger, flower. And how lady's finger grows? Look at here. Very good. The flower dries up. Look at here. This is the lady's finger flower. Dries up and the fruit grows. Look at here. You can see lady's finger, no? Yes. L-A-D-Y-S, ladies. F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. F-R-U-I-T, fruit. Lady's finger, fruit. Now you understand this, children? First we learn about, yes, very good. Many plants around us are having flowers, and we learn about some plants do not have flowers. And then where can we find the young flower? It's safe inside the bud. The bud opens and the flower grows. And then we see about how the fruit grows. A fruit grows from a flower. when the flower is fresh, the fruit grows? No, when the flower dries up only, the fruit grows. We learned all these things. Today's homework, what you have to do, you have to read lesson 5, flowers, fruit and seeds, page number 16 and 17 in your science book. You all understand the topic clearly, no children? Yes. We will meet in the next session. Thank you.